Hey, yeah, everyone. Again, it's Luandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School. Now that I've given you guys an introduction, it is time to jump on to the first question. And again, if you recall, if your memory serves you well, you'd recall that I mentioned the fact that I do not go through a book's content, but what I do is I simply solve exercises. You see, the fact of the matter is that is how I mostly learned programming. I mean, most of the stuff, you see, I started by solving more problems, and then afterwards I came back to the textbook, and that's where a lot of things made even more sense. Okay, but that's not the best way of doing things. It worked for me. What I dare you to do is to find something that works for you. Okay, so here's the deal with printing a box like the one below. So again, this is what we want to display right here. This is the simplest exercise out of all of these exercises. Okay, so here's the deal. Let's see. What do I wanna do? There's a file that I've already created, and it's under desktop textbook exercises, under Python, under basics. Check this out, you guys. You see, I've got exercise _1_8, which corresponds to this 1.8 over here, right? Another underscore that's separate between 8 and 1. Okay, so that simply says we're doing now exercise number 1 under 1.8. The A here simply refers to solution number 1. Sometimes I'll have B, which refers to solution number 2, and then sometimes I'll have C as well, which corresponds to solution number 3 of the given exercise. I'm hoping people are clear there. Okay, so enough words. I think the very first thing we might want to do is to count these stars. So let's count them, these asterisks. Okay. Oops, it seems like we can't. I'm gonna have to count by inspection. Seems like there's about 19 of them, but it doesn't matter again. So what we needed is to simply use the print statement, and then put those, and then simply go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That should be pretty much it. The next thing we can do, we can simply copy, paste it 3 times. Okay, that should be pretty much it, you guys. We can now simply go run module. Boom, we good. We're getting the exact thing that we expected. Okay, there was one way of doing it. Again, you guys, bear in mind, these aren't the only way. These aren't the most effective efficient solutions. Okay, I don't want people to think I'm the best programmer out there. Nope. I am not. Okay, so here's the deal. I want to create another solution. You know what? I'm going to do that. You know what? Let me do it right now. But I want to make that as a separate video. Okay, that should be it, you guys. We have got what we wanted, which is this box right here. Okay, and you can play around with this by, say for instance, removing some of the stars just to display whatever pairing that you might like. Okay, that should be it for this tutorial, you guys. I'll see you on the next one. I'm gone.